In this guide, you'll learn how to fix the auto logout problem in Facebook Messenger on your iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Launch settings, click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget the network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, check for app updates. Launch App Store, search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, you can log out and log in back to your account. For that, launch your Facebook app. Click on three bars given at the top left, scroll down, navigate to the option Logout and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check date and time in your device. For that, close this, launch your settings. Now click on the option General, click on the option Date and Time. Toggle on for the option Set Automatically. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. Navigate towards Messenger app, press and hold on it. Select Remove App, Delete App, click on Delete. Once you do this, now launch your App Store, search for the app Messenger and download it. And that's it. With these, your auto logout problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.